so mean.
He's farted out.
Yeah.
He stole it.
Time?
Walang ba? Okay lang. Wait siya.
Wait.
No mo na.
Sama mo kasi.
It was just a fart, as if you don't fart. See? Ayan, ayan.
I got it.
No talk.
Wait, one more.
Wait lang, wait lang.
Pwedeng ano?
Is that your pillow?
Yeah.
Ano bang supine? Open your eye.
Chris, could you massage my back?
Sige. Ay, hirap. May nails na ako. Okay lang.
Yeah, just stay on my back or something.
Huwag mo rin ako. Ututan mo.
No, I won't. You're so, you're so funny. I'm not like handsome naman, no, grabe.
Sabagay, mabait ka.
Yeah, but you rolled your eyes.
Hindi, ikaw yun kasi. Ikaw si ano hindi.
No, not like that. Oh my God. Oh, wait, I feel good. I can feel your tayo.
Oh.
Kukurutin kita.
I feel sexy.
Yeah! Ayoko na talaga.
Can you just stay on my back? Stay on my back.
Namay na.
Stay on my back. Hindi, I have you. Relaxing.
Alam mo yung batong-bat mo. Kadiri.
Hulay, woko, siya, rewa.
Utot ako.
Okay.
Nawala. Bait ako eh.
Sarap ng pressure. This is good. Just stay there lang.
Ala. Halika. Papagawa ko sa'yo.
No!
Upo ka.
No! No!
Upo ka sa likod niya. Go.
Oh my God, you felt my butthole!
Di ba nalambot ang puwet niya masyado, Kadiri?
Oo nga.
Gusto ko pa naman sa guy firm yung ass.
No, because he's lying down.
Yung mga puwet na guys, automatic ng firm kahit na hindi naka-ano.
Just tighten it. Just tighten it.
Kasi nag-firm pag i-firm mo.
Oo nga, no? Now his butt is all hard.
Pag pinipilit, gusto ko yung natural lang.
You get married to a rock.
Pwede rin.
Do I have anything else to bring my shoes? Ano ba? Chris looks so spaced out.
Manisip na naman ako eh. Chris, smile.
Stop thinking.
Don't think about your mom.
Whew! Kasi nakita ko itong dalay mo yan, parang gusto ko may dala rin ng ganyan.
Shut up.
Kaya ng balon to?
Anyone's. Pop. Ah! Great. I don't want to say goodbye because so nasty. I want to say goodbye to anyone. I'm coming back anyway. Really? Coming back.
Baby, come back.
I'm coming back, Mom. Don't worry about it. Thanks, Mom.
Come back home, baby.
No! Hindi!
Kailangan, episode yan. Ito yung mga pinagin ko sa
Nagagalit ko rin.
Ipapack ko siya. I'm packing him home to Cebu.
You're packing?
Yeah, I'm packing him home to Cebu.
What?